Schaffner, and I am so glad that you are here today to check out this dress. What do you think about this dress? This, my friends, is Target. This is a new day from Target. This was $27.99 and it was marked down 25% off, so whatever that is, that's what I paid for it. I will tell you, I saw Tisha H. She did a haul of Old Navy and Target springtime dresses, and she purchased this dress and she looked dynamite in it, so I had to run right out and get it for myself. And I don't normally wear black, but I love this dress. What do you think about this dress? You guys, check out Tisha H. Check out her channel for some super unboxings and hauls. And she has been quite an inspiration to me, and I know you will enjoy her channel. Today, I have an unboxing and unbagging of Nadine West. I am so excited to open my Nadine West. If you are not familiar with Nadine West, it is a subscription service. They don't charge a styling fee, but they do charge $9.78 for shipping, and that is reimbursed to you if you purchase anything in this bag. You take a short style quiz with Nadine West, and truthfully, I think they send you anything that they want to send you. I don't know. I haven't been able to adjust that style quiz, and they have asked me for more reviews and more feedback, but that hasn't yet reflected any change in the items that they've sent me. But this bag is a lot of fun, so let's open it up and see what's in it. Here we go. You need to save this bag in case there's anything that you want to return, because you'll return it in this same bag. They do send a mailing slip. So then we have all our prices, and I will look at that in the end. Again, this is what we got last time. We got 2 bundles, and so they're getting bigger and bigger every time. There's some pretty colors in that one. We've got some blues, some blacks. I am really enjoying my leggings from Nadine West, although I don't know if I need any more. Let's start with this bundle, see what's in it. We've got black. You know I don't need any black. What do we have here? We have a tunic style top. Looks like a 3/4 length sleeve. This is by Zanana Premium. This is a brand that they send quite a bit with that keyhole front choker collar. And this is really super soft, just not very spring-like. And next we have another, is this a tunic or a dress? This is going to be a super short dress if this is a dress. This is gray. This is by Moa, and we have some interesting cold shoulder detail with some, what are those? What are those? Anyway, we'll try it on and see what it is. I'll think of the word. Next we have this blue package. Again, I don't see any jewelry in here. They normally always, yeah, here's jewelry. We have one pink bag. They always so far have sent me jewelry. So the first thing we have is, I like this color. This is a turquoise colored button-up top with 2 pockets, and we have a different fabric. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but there's actually a different type of fabric in the sides. Maybe it will show better in the try-on. I don't know. We'll see. And then we have some leggings, which my leggings from Nadine West are absolutely my favorite. And these are pretty color. I don't wear printed leggings until Nadine West. Nadine has put me in printed leggings. So last item we have is a jewelry item. They always come in these bright pink bags, and it looks to be a necklace that's a little tangled. And we have an extender on there, and it's just, let's try it on. I don't know, it's very, very lightweight. Let's try everything on and see what we think about these pieces. All right, this is the dress by Zanana Premium, And it is a little short for my liking, but I don't think it's uncomfortably short. I thought it was gray, but I think it's actually kind of a violet, light purple color. So it does look, I like the colors a whole lot more in the light and on the camera. So we have this cold shoulder detail with these, I guess, straps. I guess that's a good name for them. They have straps on it. Let me turn around so you can see it. And let's see how it moves. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I'm not crazy about it, but I'm not hating on it either. I was mistaken. That dress was by Moa. This is the Zanana Premium top. This is a tunic length top, and you know what? It's very, very soft, and I think it's on trend for the fall or the winter. I don't think this is a springtime fashion at all, and I don't like the black. I'll show it to you. Look at it. It's this would make great maternity wear. There's a lot of room in this. It fits me. I just don't have any need for it, but it does kind of showcase this pendant, doesn't it? Let's talk about this top. This is DNA Couture. This is, I checked the care label, it's 100% rayon, that's what the tag says, but I don't know if you can see, there is a cotton panel in here. It's kind of cotton ribbing, and I think that helps to make it lay so nicely. I do like the way this shirt fits me. It does have the tab, I know, pardon, it's really wrinkled, but it has the tab sleeves, but if I was to unbutton it, it's about a 3/4 length, and these are actually working pockets. There's 2 pockets here with the collar, and let me show you. I think this, it's very simple, but I think this could be a great option. I think I would get a lot of wear out of this. Now, these leggings, I would never put these two together. This top is too short for these leggings, but these leggings are by the Legging Depot. Can you see the length on them? These leggings, I just can't say it enough. The leggings Nadine West sends me is worth the subscription all by itself. They are buttery soft. They are just fabulous. Normally they're $19.99, so let's look at the prices. Did I talk about this enough? I'm not terribly impressed. This is very lightweight. I would probably wear it, but I don't wear my pendant necklaces very often. To be truthful with you, I have several that don't get a lot of wear, so I don't know if I need another one just to sit in my jewelry case, but this is price contingent. Here's my prices. The bottoms are called Midnight Garden in multi. They are $17.49. I knew they were mine. I thought I was going to have to pay $20, so $17.49 is a great surprise. This top is Nicole in jade, and it is $21.49, so that's a great price. The Cindy black top is $24.49. I'm not feeling that top. Maybe in the fall or the winter next year, if that style is still on trend, I would consider it, but I'm not really into that. The dress, okay, that's where I need your help. The dress is called Mayflowers. Oh, and it says it's in gray. It kind of had that violet hue to it, but it is $29.99. Okay, so $29.99. Doesn't that price tag make the Target dress look a lot better? I don't know. Let me know what you think about the Nadine West Mayflowers dress. And then this necklace is called Grace in Gold, is $21.99, and I think I am leaning towards keeping this blouse and the leggings and sending the rest back. I have 10 days to decide with Nadine West. I will send it back, and when they decide, they'll send me another shipment. It's normally about 3 weeks. Every 3 weeks I receive a shipment from Nadine West, and it's a whole lot of fun. I really enjoy Nadine West because it is affordable, fun fashions, and if you would like to try Nadine West, I will leave a code in the description box below, and if you use that code, you can get your first shipment free shipping. So the $9.78 is waived, and you can try it out. I think you'll enjoy it. I certainly do. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, for visiting with me again. If this is your first time and you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I want to see you again. I do a lot of unboxings and a lot of chats about clothing. So please join me if you like that type of video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'm going to have another video for you in 2 days. So please look forward to that. And thank you once again. God bless you all.